Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'll be seeing how far I can get day 1 on a solo server. I also ended up winning some pre-web events to get some credit in case I wanted to play after day 3.
Question is, how do you say that?
He's actually blocked. What, he just blocked for the last like 2 hours?
Oh,
Have you actually blocked me, nigga?
Yes, you've been blocked for like 2 hours, kid.
Chili's actually salty as hell, he didn't get a tribe slot.
Yo, KY, why'd your tribe mate on Void Duos beat you on bags and then crash out on you in news channel?
Ooh, this nigga's silenced.
I don't
Yeah,
know,
that's
I'm locked in. I'm locked in. Wait, chill.
locked in.
I kind of can't. I don't know. Ask him. What? Busy.
After setting up the forges, I went to Ragnarok to see what I could raid.
Put more melee into this though after this.
Nigga.
Oh!
Yo,
Oi, this is worth, There's like 6 daddies of fucking shards.
Yeah, we know.
That's what we said.
Dragon already said that,
Oh,
bud. Come on, wait.
my bad, I'm a nigga, my bad nigga.
Alright, jump off.
Yeah, Dan, it's kind of busted. Are you looking at my stream?
What?
I've been farming it for like 1 minute and I've already got,
Do you know where I am or?
Yeah, I'm right.
How much harder though?
like,
Yeah, bunch
What's
of
in it?
C4 deaths in the card.
but I
Huh?
have nothing to farm it with.
C4
I got
deaths
a
in the
loot.
card.
Egg punch, bro. What do you mean? You have nothing.
Day 1, those fed suits are banned.
Oh.
I'm just doing it with a mining drill and I'm
What do
getting
we
good.
want with this? Oi, we want, is it worth taking that paste?
That pace is so
This
worth.
kid's a freak. Actually, I don't even care if he knocks it out.
Oh, I'm gonna play into all players.
Too happy.
What else is worth on it?
I just took everything that's worth. Maybe the duff, but
I'll take the sword for an extra plus here. In the end,
Oh my
take
god,
the
no
dust-
weapon.
I'll take the bit of dust actually, just in case I go.
Can you lose this?
I never lose.
the LA farm itself is worth it.
Bro, I need to head my way over. How long has it been outbound, or they just changed?
Yeah, it's 6 AM.
Okay,
What,
they
are you shield talking?
And now you can cheese it.
You're gonna cheese a heavy?
Like, I've already got 100 hard for a rep and then I've got
We
shards to
need
just...
when you come with the go tame go tame a good ton of nog ones later today.
Okay, why are we full fed here?
I'm gonna go get a dead on in a second.
banned.
Astrodelphus is unbanned. The saddle is just that level 1.
Oh wait, that's what you should have done. Is Noggin control their the stegos they have inside that aren't getting caught.
Have they got tames in there that are there?
Like,
Yeah, but
an hour in. I don't know, you can do like wild dine events now. You can do like wild fucking Maywing.
I'm going back to base
So
real quick, getting a gen, a TP, found E,
Nice.
dead on and saddle. Be back.
Yeah.
LS, did you keep the mud in?
Oi, did we grab that collect?
Yeah, send the troughs.
Val, because we can probably just collect a bit of there.
Is Gen 2 laggy right now?
Wait, but you're not gonna quetch that.
Do you think?
Could
I
if
put-
we had a good quetch, but we have a
just
horrible
snap
quetch
all
that's
over
not
it. You're not
imprinted.
gonna- It's gonna
Puzzle.
you'd actually just go to
Yeah?
the top of it.
Is Gen 2 laggy?
No.
Nigga, the whole left side's on powers.
Nigga, cry you on
Is today Wednesday or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
What do you say?
Okay.
Chicken, does your dad still beat you?
He never did beat me.
Is he? I don't.
It looks like
Chicken's dead.
I think if he even tried, I'd beat the
I
fuck
just
out
killed
of him.
quick knives.
No, it's not. No, Chicken, he's gonna put out.
Because I killed him when
Oh,
I
wait, it
raided
was
my
before
base.
But look, I sit behind a rock, I shoot it once. Oh no, I shoot it twice. Because this guy's knocked it. I knock it out right and he feeds it and it's mine, bro, look.
Nah, that's peak. No.
Look at
You're
this,
right.
look, he feeds it thinking it's his. He feeds it thinking it's his and I've got that bitch, bro.
That's actually devious. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, I got raided. Yo,
Yeah.
You still here?
So Jack,
I'm going to a rag.
who just snorted in the mic?
Who was that?
I don't know, but I don't know if to feel scared or.
No, he's still
Hello.
here, bro. I have to chase this guy down.
You have to get your comeback. Wait, Joe, you quitting if he
Man.
takes all your stuff?
I'm quitting if you took all my metal, yeah.
Actually, you're just full quitting.
Wait, TL, does that mean you're gonna actually lock in and help us raid or something?
Probably
Just
not.
kidding, Need you
TL,
anyway.
You're good outside.
Oh, Joe, getting online white by LS is bonkers, bro. I didn't want to say it was LS while it was there, but that is absolutely crazy.
No! I fell off.
Haha.
Hey, no, cuz.
Joe, I know you have a keybind stream. Get a stream
Step
going.
1, C enable cheats password and leave me alone, GCM. Step 2, C teleport to player name youtube.com/TO47.
Oh, it says why, by the way. You'll never even find him.
Step 4, use ASB to ban him. Step
Hold it,
5, grab
hold it.
Step 6, teleport to quick times. Step 7, drop the bag.
Hey, the
Wait,
thing is, oi, Fraz, if JP actually gets fired now, he might make a bit more money.
Wait,
you didn't have half my fucking pulley, mate.
Oh my god, Joe.
TL, TL,
the
don't
flip?
sell the bag.
Oh my god. Oi, the camera just saw Joe. Joe, just pounce him. He's naked.
Dead.
Let's go, Joe.
Dead.
It's
Dead.
Tread.
Joe.
Yo, Joe's dead now.
You're dead as hell.
Well, I mean, at
Oh,
least you
yeah,
know he
oh,
didn't
yeah,
ESD, because Tread's...
Oh, yeah, imagine he's got the most dodge ass kick in the world.
Oh, Joe's actually got his comeback. Did he have your metal?
Yeah. And some of it's still up there, actually.
I have to go straight to fucking Indie Forges because I ain't placing
How do you
another.
find this, bro?
What a bolo. Asus isn't in. Putting it white.
Okay, tame some tracks. Tamed Rhino. Glad Electronics. Should be crispy right now. And the dry blocks. Okay, that's fine. After taming tracks and a rhino, me and my friends decided that we wanted to do the Scorched Earth boss fight.
Keep crewing out, I need to stop these jokes.
Wait,
Yeah, you
does
need to
Michael
respect
Jordan
them.
Make his in-game name Michael Jordan.
Wait, who wants Yelly? I got a riot leg.
You gotta leave the rhino.
Wait, you just
Yeah, I know.
got the whole bag.
Oh.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, I'm not leaving my rhino. I can drop it. Tio can have it. What the fuck?
Wait, isn't that rhino supposed to be an admin rhino?
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not leaving it. It's a fucking event rhino, bro.
Dan, how much LED do you want?
Wait, what are you doing if, what are you doing if TL, what are you
I
doing if
just-
TL
how much LED do you have?
500.
I'll just take half.
Dan, do you want your cakes back?
Yes, please.
I full pump the fuck out of TL for $10 right now.
Yeah, I'm glad you pay me 10.
That's
Oh my fucking god.
What happened?
I hate that KO kid. He's so fucking annoying.
Not the worst. Because were the ones in VC a second ago with me, Rebel, and Wavy, bro. And the fucking back to time split.
Daisy, give us PT line.
We have one like line wise. I haven't been. I don't go on there and look around base. Just log on.
Does he
You
give me
log
some
on, do
lines?
nothing, and log off. What the hell?
Does he give me lines, but then I give you a picture of Zuman's butthole?
I'd like to live my life without that.
Fuck everything about this fucking game. After dying because I had bad flak, I decided to go to Golem and C4 trap someone for a good kill.
You mean with the level 55 mag, like, isn't it? You get like 10k metal hit.
The extinction is just a lag event. Can't lie. So unfun.
Dan, you know there's a drop party.
I know. I'm locked in.
It's still going because you go to events. Last ping event is starting now. I don't know what that means.
It was like 10 minutes ago.
Man, why do they have to set up Duke bots? That's horrible. Duke bots are stupid. Don't you agree, Dan?
Why is there no beaver dam?
Mesh.
Mesh.
Yo, Archie, there could be a come up right there.
What?
Mesh base loot scav coming in 5 minutes. Location will be hard to find on.
What
Wait,
did he say?
there was a fight while I was in there,
Well, you just fucking were oblivious.
and I was just oblivious. I mean, I'll take the free loot. I'm not complaining. Look at that. You get a pump and everything.
You have ammo for it though.
After losing my kit because I accidentally placed beds in a rock, I decided that I had to rocket bob someone for a new kit or C4 trap them.
There's 12 players online. That's cool.
How do you know there's 12 players online?
Alright, bro. Like, at least come over here. I'll make you a ticket. Can you just, like, ban them already? Like, you can claim your freaking rewards.
Gotta make that ticket before I come over there with
How am I supposed to make a ticket while I'm playing?
I don't know.
Find a hiding spot?
Oh my god, that's not what I meant to do.
No, I'm on such a calm down, bro.
Huh.
On a base, I
That's
just...
weird. That guy's right there, and that guy's right there. Nothing odd about that at all in my book.
Bro, no wait, LS is AFK, bro, because I have to beef LS.
Yeah, LS owns you.
Just get on map, and then I'll make a ticket for you.
What order are you on?
What?
What order?
I'm on Fury 2.
Yeah.
Fuck you, knocked out, bitch.
Can I get
Hang around together!
Can I get a GT on one of them? Like, what do you want me to do? I don't even have a name or anything.
Just come to Denny Cave.
Fuck no.
They're both chasing me in circles.
I just
yeah,
died
TP to
to, I
me.
just died to E-Man.
My name's Vapor Bob.
Time a desert PvP event, a raid base was built, and everybody was going over. But only one person was in Rifle's mind, Adama 13, who was also there at the event. And because Adama had tried to raid him earlier,
This is when I realized that the drops on the server were really OP, and I needed to farm them if I wanted to progress.
Drop again. To us, yeah. A chest.
Healing as well. I like full clip too. Nice. Look on the ballers.
Oh, dude. Oh, you're dead. In the rain too?
Don't take his crossbow.
RG, that scared me so bad. I don't know, I thought you like crouched behind me, so I just didn't even like think about it.
Yeah, I'm sniffing your balls, I guess.
Yeah, on this guy. Oh, jump scared me. He thought he could get away with it.
I like
okay, we
fight.
need to go put each other on lower cooldown again.
I don't want to scrap you, bro.
Come to the waterfall.
This guy have? We're just trying to like grapple, like I can't. There's so many kids there, bro. I see a thing stripe.
Oh,
Can you
that
come to
guy's
me?
legs.
There's like no one here.
Oh, I just killed the guy. Got a guy.
Can you come here? Xander scared with the stripe. I saw him.
Oh my god, that guy just got bullied by the Amanda.
I'm gonna prepare real quick.
Oh, that 897 guy died.
Yeah, I'm like preparing real quick. Hold on.
Oh, they're up there. Shoot their shields. Their shields.
I'm preparing real quick.
I got places to move around. I literally like ate his legs pretty much. Broke his legs and everything.
What the? Who is that? I don't know. I'm pushing this guy.
This guy's
What
landing.
the? I don't know what the fuck just happened. I just fell down into the matrix or something.
This guy's stupid.
Oh yeah, flame, bro. Holy, this guy doesn't stop flaming. I go his flamethrower. Let's go. Nice baller.
Uh-oh. No.
That's not good. 8 clipped.
Alright, drop on that calm.
Oh, Barber 17, bro.
deserve to be raided.
No, 'cause
You
the
deserve
like,
to be raided.
no, I'm still, bro. If I go into flipping solo haven, bro, I'm still alive.
Because Stone Haven's such an NPC server.
The way he raided me, and LB just the fact, yo,
I mean, that's good for you.
yo. I mean, it's good, but still, how did blood? How long ago was this? Yo, this is like a minute ago.
Nah, that was like half an hour ago, yeah.
Half an hour? I haven't been. Yo. So as soon as I raided base.
Well, no, because you went off, tamed the Quetzal, fought at that base for a little
Yeah,
while.
I might crash out. Actually, was that half an hour ago? I don't know. And then if I can find a flipping thingy base. What's it? As you can see, I was raided because I couldn't be able to get tech towers up, even though I had 120. So I had carbos and I was ready to go to Fjord and do a raid to see if I could snowball. But then I would encounter someone when I tried to attempt the raid. Yo! I look away for 10 seconds.
You also do have nets, remember?
Oh, I'm trying to spamming F!
It's because it rolls away because we're on a cliff. Is he bowled? Oh. Do you have a spare long neck?
I don't know, bro. I don't know why this guy's running. He has all my weapons. Yo. Yo, why is this guy running so much, bruh? I might actually die here. Tell this guy. His whip broke. Full pump challenge. Yo, I don't want to fight you. Yo, bruh. Why is he running? Bro, I don't understand why he's still running. Just wanted to stand still. Oh, what is blood doing? What are you doing? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Are you good, Tio?
Why is he running? I'm so confused right now. Why is he running?
You're gonna put this in your YouTube video.
I don't understand why. What are you doing? Why are you running? Yo, I'm so confused right now. Like, it's actually like baffling to me. I don't understand why he's running.
Are you gonna cry?
Yo, I'm gonna tweak out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna crash out. Why is he running? He's whipped all my weapons. I need to kill him, and he's running still. Like, oh, fuck's sake. It actually genuinely angers me how you can run this much, bruh.
Really?
Yo, what is blood doing? Like, oh my dodge. This is the hardest dodge I've seen in a long time. I've lost him now. GG's. He has like 10k Oxy. Yo, like, oh my. The fuck is this kid doing? Oh.
Did Grapple you? How did you just die?
I pressed E on the cop!
Wait, how did you die?
It's safe to say that I was pretty mad about me dying, but I did end up rebuilding.
Wrong.
I'm gooped right now. Okay, the come up is back. TL4X7's come up is coming.
I don't know, I'm feeling devious right now.
Hey, good shit, JP. What is this
Yeah,
TL
this
guy?
guy sucks.
I'm young, but
Everyone else just sits around at the shop all day. Like,
Like JP's a retard, bro.
mad. You're young, bless me.
Because JP, I just freaking admin dudes. I just reg on every base on every server.
yeah, but why you coming at me, bro? When you know I'll put you in a body bag, nigga.
Okay, I did not crib it this time, but went to Golem and got some BPs. Yeah, I don't think I cribbed it, but just in case I did, just in case I didn't, I got pretty much all BPs. Infinite Crossing Skills actually coming out tomorrow, so yeah. And then I went to Yeti and found quite a few BPs, got full sales. Yeah, BPs for when it's Infinite Cross, Fabby, Shogun BP, Net BP, very good stuff. So, yeah, decent. I'm about to go over to Yeti again, hopefully for some PvP.
You know what? That's jeez. I'll pack you.
I'm actually gonna buy it on Steam this year though, because I'm gonna keep it a book. I can't be else turn on my Xbox. I need to get levels on these nigglings.
What did you just call me?
Huh?
What did you just call me?
Niggas.
Yeah, man, guys. Just think, Dragon, this is only one entrance, by the way. Maybe 15 trillion more entrances to go.
Hey Rebel, if you got your kit ready in case I can actually do some weird shit to this base.
I'll have to go back to Val and get...
What? Okay.
Why do you sound like that, Wavy, bro?
What?
What?
Nah, bro. I would actually beat up Wavy in real life.
Oh my god, there's so much metal in these forges, bro. Did LS fill these?
Obviously. What do you mean did I let why is TL talking like he's in tribe? Wait, TL, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to remove you from this Discord.
Yeah, I kinda want TL back. TL's my, like, favorite arc player.
Yeah, but TL's inactive as well. If TL pretty promises and says, I will be active, I promise to play the service.
We are not tribing Chili.
I know. That's why you're hitting a quick fucking raising spray what they heal.
I'm not raising these are all dying, what the hell? Oh.
sit. Yo, sit, bruh. Yo, sit. Donate so much, bruh. Bro. Come on, what you donate this, bruh? Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to leave things I need to improve on in the comments below.